In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the App Store with your Apple ID, allowing you to use your iCloud account in the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. This is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully so you can easily access and manage your apps using the right account. Let's get started and make sure you have everything set up correctly. First things first, you'll want to head over to your home screen and locate the familiar blue App Store icon. It's typically found somewhere on your dock or in one of your iPhone or iPad folders. Go ahead and tap on that icon to open the App Store. It's important to have a reliable internet connection as you navigate through these steps, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or a mobile network. Once the App Store is open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see a small circular icon featuring your profile or a silhouette if you haven't set a profile picture yet. Tap on this profile icon to bring up your account settings. If you're not currently signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Look for the option to sign in and go ahead and tap on it. Here, you'll need to enter your Apple ID and password. Your Apple ID is essentially the same as your iCloud email address, so remember to type it in carefully along with your password to prevent any errors. In the case that you're already signed in with a different Apple ID, perhaps one that belongs to a family member or an old account, take a moment to sign out first. Tap on the sign out option and then enter your Apple ID and password to ensure you're using the correct account. Now that you're signed in with the right Apple ID, you're ready to explore and make the most of the App Store. Your Apple ID will be linked to your iCloud account, providing a unified experience across all your Apple devices. With these credentials, you'll have the capability to download new apps, update existing ones, or even make purchases directly from the store. This seamless integration is designed to give you more control and a personalized experience based on your unique preferences and previous purchases. Congratulations! You're now set up to use your iCloud account in the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Remember, keeping your Apple ID secure is very important, so consider activating two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video helps you enjoy a smoother app experience on your Apple devices. Happy downloading!